The Sustainable Future Absolute Growth Fund aims to deliver strong long-term capital growth for our investors by investing in global equities. However, it will also use bonds and cash and derivatives in order to protect the fund and protect the capital in periods where you have market falls. Now, as with all of our sustainable future funds, we only invest in companies which are more sustainable. They have to have very strong business fundamentals, and they have to be undervalued. And I'm really pleased to say that this strategy has worked very well for the Sustainable Future Absolute Growth Fund. It has delivered very strong performance relative to similar mainstream funds, which we believe is a result of our investment strategy focusing on these more sustainable, higher quality stocks. If I could just give an example of three of those which the fund is invested in. The first is called Trimble Navigation, and it provides hardware and software essentially to allow engineers and farmers to know where they are. Now, the beauty of this is that particularly in farming applications, it means they can use less fertilizer, position their seeds more precisely in order to enhance yields and lower input costs. So it's good from a business point of view, but it's also excellent from an environmental point of view because people need to use less fertilizer and can use seeds more effectively. And it's a company which has done well precisely because it's helping people to use fewer resources. So that sits under our resource efficiency theme. The second example is Continental. Now, Continental is a German company, but it's global, and you might know it for its tires, but the divisions which we are most interested in are around road safety and energy efficiency technology. So they help to make the internal combustion engine more efficient, but importantly, they also, through their active safety division, help to make cars and transportation safer. So this sits under our quality of life theme and has grown to be so successful because of their exposure to these areas. And the final example I'd highlight is Athena Healthcare. Now this company, everyone will have read about all the changes that are going on in US healthcare. Very complicated for medical practitioners to actually do all their billing, do all their administration. Athena Healthcare takes that burden away from the practitioner, allows them to focus on the patient, and sorts out all their administration behind it. And it's been very successful because it enables them to perform their tasks better. So three examples of companies which we've invested in, which have done very well because of their approach to sustainability. And we believe that the fund is well set into 2014 precisely because we're investing in these more resilient, more sustainable companies.